Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Upgrade to the stunning Motorola Edge 70 Fusion today starting at just Rs 28,999, down from Rs 42,999. Enjoy 0% interest days with easy monthly installments of Rs 2,333, plus an extra Rs 1,000 off on exchange. Get the Realme P4 5G starting at just Rs 23,999, down from Rs 40,999. Enjoy easy EMIs starting at Rs 4,000 per month with 0% interest days. Get the brand new Motorola Edge 70 starting from just Rs 27,999, down from Rs 34,999. Enjoy 0% interest days with easy monthly payments of only Rs 2,333, plus an extra Rs 2,000 off on exchange. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.